So here's our summary for testing hypotheses about population parameters. Uh, these are important to remember. When you're testing a claim about population proportion, then you're going to use a normal distribution. Your test statistic is a z-statistic, and you're going to get your p-values and critical values from a normal distribution. And you're going to use this formula for calculating your test statistic. If your claim is about population mean, then you're going to use a t-distribution. So again, this is your critical values, and your p-value will come from a t-distribution. Also, your test statistic is also a t-value. If you're testing hypothesis about population variance or standard deviation, you're going to use a chi-square distribution for critical values and p-values. And again, you have a formula for calculating your test statistic. All right, when setting up the hypotheses test, you're first to have to identify the claim and then set up your null and alternative hypotheses. That's the first step. The second step is to identify the significance level. The third step is to find your test statistic from the sample. Next step is to figure out the p-value based on your test statistic, or the critical value based on your significance level. And then you're going to make your conclusion whether to reject the null and accept the alternative, or do not reject the null. And the last step is to interpret your results. State your findings in simple, non-technical terms.